So we're at a new listing on Outlet Drive. This is a house, lake home on Manson Lake. They have over 400 feet of frontage here. Nice sandy frontage. This is a nice full wreck lake, clear. This bay is all undeveloped. So they have a dock system here, a swimming area, swimming beach, and then there's another dock over here, and all of this is undeveloped at this moment. Nice level lot. Everything's just out from winter. I'll walk to the other side. So this is the couple steps down to the water on this side, and they also put a dock out here, and on the other side of those cabins is Highway 8. You can hear the highway noise a little bit from here. This is your view. It's a really nice view of the lake. So this is the lakeside. There's some cedar siding, and then they had the vinyl and nice deck out there. They have a little fenced in area for their dog. They are going to take that fencing down. It's just kind of temporary fencing. And this is a nice fire pit area here with the great view. So you're sitting here seeing no neighbors. They're on either side. So this is a private road. There's a couple of houses that use this road, and there's a 2-car garage with a workshop area, and does have some storage in the back there. So this is the driveway in, detached garage, walkway up to the front of the house here. So you come in the front door, and there's a nice entryway here, and it does have a big entryway closet, place to hang jackets. You come right in, there is a full bath. So pedestal sink, bathtub, shower, nice dining room area, patio doors that go out to a lakeside deck. Nice breakfast bar. It does have the granite. Flooring is like a really nice high quality vinyl that looks like wood. And you've got your wine chiller in the island, gas stove, nice garage, appliance garage there, dishwasher, nice sink, nice view of the lake to do dishes. So this goes into a really nice 4-season sunroom. It does have another cool fireplace there. She's using it for a home office. They do have high-speed internet that she definitely works from home, not a problem. And this has a great view of the lake here. There is a nice laundry room, slop sink, nice pantry, tons of space to put extra pantry stuff. And going through the dining room, there are 2 thermostats. They do have a Harman pellet furnace and a regular forced air furnace. No central air. We always say in northern Wisconsin, if it's that hot, you should be in the water. They got a nice built-in desk area here. Good sized living room. Nice bay window there. Gas fireplace with a nice stone, and there's a lot of nice wood accent. The mantle is really cool. And you do have the loggy and Northwoodsy look with the pine. So this is the master bedroom. Nice lake views out both of those windows because this is that point, and so you've got really great lake views there. This is the master bathroom. Nice tile shower. This is a nice big closet here, and sink, vanity. There is another closet over here for linens, or if you need some extra master closet area. This is the second bedroom. Really good sized bedroom. Lots of windows. Love the log chair rail. going around, closet there, some built-in shelving. It's got the 6-panel pine doors. There's another entrance exit here. Then we go down into the basement. You could make another bedroom out of this. It does have a window here with the window well. He just used it as an office, but you could have it for guests. Or he's got, obviously he's using it as a workout area too. So you come through the doors. This is other part of the basement that they use for storage. I got an extra fridge down here, lots of built-in shelving, a block foundation, and then some of it does have more of a, like a step crawl. This is that pellet furnace and the forced air furnace there. This does come with a home warranty. You know, furnace is a little older, but sometimes those are a little more reliable. And so they are including a home warranty with the property that covers you for a year from time of closing. 200 amp service there. And this is just more storage. So this is that nice front entryway. And there's that door that goes in by the living room. And there's a fence here, but the property goes way over there. And workshop area, it is heated, and he's just got a lot of stuff in here, but that's what workshops are for. Door that goes over there into the 2-car garage where you would park your cars. Lots of light in here.